How to fix push notifications on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually go ahead and then fix the push notifications issues on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix the push notifications on WhatsApp, it's very simple. So first of all, to make sure to update the WhatsApp app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated WhatsApp, open up settings over here on your device. Once you open settings, go to the section that says notifications. As you go to notifications on the list of these apps, just go ahead and search for WhatsApp. So make sure to select WhatsApp. If you don't find WhatsApp over here, you can also simply use the search box, and you simply want to make sure that you have turned on this toggle right over here next to WhatsApp that says show notifications. You also want to make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration, because if it is set to deliver quietly, it is going to deliver the notification quietly without notifying you. You can go to notification categories over here, and you can select what kind of notifications you want to filter and what kind of notifications you don't want to receive. It's very simple to do that as well. Or else you could go to in-app notification settings over here, and you could actually go ahead and turn on the notifications within the app. By the way, this is also available on iOS, I guess, but on Android it's very simple. You can turn on high priority notifications or reaction notifications, and you can also just go ahead and customize all those. And hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.